मैं इनवाइट करना चाहता हूं प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मीनू सिंह जी को और डॉक्टर नवीन चितकारा जो कि NHS हॉस्पिटल जलंधर जो कि AI इन हेल्थ केयर पे बात करेंगे, उनको भी मैं स्टेज पे आमंत्रित करता हूं। एम्स ऋषिकेश के साथ में हमारा MOU है जिसमें हम लोग माउंटेन मेडिसिन को लेकर के सर्विसेज करते हैं। 4 धाम के अंदर केदारनाथ, बद्रीनाथ, यमुनोत्री, गंगोत्री, जब भी कोई इमरजेंसी होती है, को किसी टर्शरी केयर हॉस्पिटल की ज़रूरत होती है तो हम उसको एम्स ऋषिकेश में भेजते हैं और एम्स ऋषिकेश के अंदर ही हेलीपैड है, हेलीकॉप्टर है। तो एम्स ऋषिकेश भी हमारे साथ मिल करके हम कह सकते हैं कि हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड के अंदर सहभागिता कर रहा है और आज उनकी डायरेक्टर का यहाँ पर आना हमारे लिए मान और सम्मान की बात है। मैडम, हम आपका स्वागत करते हैं। डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर मीनू सिंह।
So thank you very much, Dr. Bhardwaj. I'm Dr. Meenu Singh and I'm Executive Director for AIIMS Rishikesh. Honorable dignitaries on the dais, and I do see people from different walks of life. We have army officers, we have police officers, and we have this very celebrated band which is sitting right in front of us, and I really congratulate you for being here and for playing such beautiful tunes for us. And I was so thrilled to see many girls who are part of this band. So at AIIMS Rishikesh, we have our motto, which is Vishwa Arogyam Hi Dharmona. That means this world without disease is our religion. And that is what we are trying to follow. We were set up in 2004 under the scheme which is PMSSY, Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. And we started our college, medical college, as you can say, medical studies, MBBS in 2012, and we had our nursing institute coming up in 2013. We have all kind of postgraduate courses like MD, MS, DM, MCH, PhD, and many other courses which are there. And we also have a DM of high altitude medicine. And it was only actually a chance encounter with Dr. Bhardwaj. He visited AIIMS Rishikesh and he informed me that we had always been collaborating on high altitude medicine, and we have a center for now helicopter emergency medical service which is called HEMS, and this is the only one in the country. And what we are doing is that whenever we get a call, we send the helicopter, which is now provided by the state, to these sites. We have about 105 helipads in Uttarakhand, and patients who are either suffering from, say, heart disease, or mothers who are having difficult delivery, or patients of trauma, they are all brought into AIIMS Rishikesh to the trauma center or to the emergency, and they are taken care of. And we have done hundreds of evacuations so far. Along with that, we have another experimental service which is part of our aeromedical service, and that is drone service. And we have been using drones for providing logistics to high altitude areas and places where it used to take about 4 to 5 hours. The project or the delivery is completed in about half an hour, and the drone is back. And we have delivered anti-TB medicines, vaccines, and even blood products by this particular modality. And this actually has become very useful in high altitude areas, and even in Northeast, it's been used to deliver vaccines, especially during the COVID times. So these are some of our niche services, but otherwise we are a 1,000-bedded facility. We have about 20% of beds are intensive care units. We are doing transplants, like we have done renal transplants, cornea transplant, bone marrow transplant, skin transplant, and cornea transplants, which are there. And we are going forward in another field, which is telemedicine. And that is, we are using a program called eSanjeevani and many other programs in which we provide remote care to our patients in areas in Uttarakhand where, as you know, a lot of those villages are getting vacated because people are not finding health facilities there. But now with telemedicine, we have given more than about 50,000 consultations, and all these patients benefit from the care which is advised to them, and the medicines are provided either through NetMeds or from remote delivery, and also sometimes they are mentored for surgery, and sometimes they are shifted in helicopter for surgeries to our hospital. Along with that, we do have several problems, and I think associating with Six Sigma, as you know, Six Sigma is a management concept, and that is applicable to all the fields, including health, medical care, as well as finance and other fields, where the quality improvement is extremely important. And my colleague, Professor Shakti Gupta, actually is a votary of quality in healthcare, and I'm sure he's going to be speaking about that. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspirations and motivations. We are proud of you.